Pets Regal, Teacher and Companions. I will make a video about my personal presentation and description of two photos. What is your name? My name is Julian Eudoro Velandia Moreno. How old are you? My age is 22 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Guatavita, Cundinamarca. What do you do? I am a student of animal production technology. What is your marital status? My marital status is single. What with would you like? He live with my family, formed by father, mother, and sister. What do what do you like to do in your free time? I watch YouTube videos in my free time. What personality do you have? My personality is very serious. What do you like and do not like? I like the countryside and the animals, and he do not like pollution. What is your daily routine? My routine is head up, have a breakfast, brush my teeth, work, have lunch, and go to bed. Work, walk home back, eat, do homework, brush my teeth, and go to bed. In the imagen you can see four of the cigarros base in Chucontac, Cundinamarca. Introducen plantas son is pines, eucalyptus, acacias, and native trees and networks. The image of mother and my sister was instead of Chiquinquira. My sister wore with blue pants and blue jacket, white yellow shorts. She is 18 years old. My mother is dressing in red jacket and pants down black shorts, and yellow black bag. He is 36 years old. They are in sitting on brown chair in the background is the statue of the Ascension of the Virgin. Thank you.